streets of Laredo, written sometime in the 1800s, made famous by Marty, Robbins, and others. It is a waltz in 3/4 time. I do it in the key of D. I'm capoed on the 2nd fret, but everything I say will be relative to the capo, so if I'm making this shape, it's a D, even though it's truly an E. To show context of the 3/4 time, I'm going to play the metronome at 130 beats per minute. And the first chord is a D, and I'm mainly playing just the bass note, which is a D, and the melody note. The next chord is an A7th. I borrow the 2nd fret and hit the G string here, which is on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Then I go back to a regular D. I lift my finger for the melody, and then go to another A, playing the melody on the 2nd and 3rd string. The next chord is a D, but you don't play the 1st string, so go to a G with an open E on the 1st string, and then it's a regular D, and then the A on the 2nd and 3rd string. So this first part is D, A, D, A, first 4 measures repeat again. Then it goes to a D. You do not hit the 1st string. The melody's on the 2nd and 3rd. And then it goes to a G with an open E. And then it goes to an A, but you bar this because you're playing the 2nd fret on the 1st string and the 2nd string. Then you lift your finger and play the open E on the 1st string, and then back to the D chord. Then I finish it up with a G and an A and back to D. The last half looks like this with the ending.